to do the coupon code in a two-step order form in the funnel. So first we're gonna create the funnel. You probably will already have yours created, but I'm just gonna name this test. You also want to make sure that your Stripe is already integrated. And then you would do the settings of making sure you have a domain, all that normal thing. And then we're gonna add a step, and this is going to be the payment page. And create it. Then we're going to go under products, and we're going to add one product, and this is going to be your product, so whatever it may be. I'm going to do a one-time, and this is going to be main product. Say it's $500. Alright, so then we'll save that. You can fill out the rest if needed. So that's our main product. Then we're going to add another one that's the same thing, but this is going to be the discounted version. Product, we'll do 50% off. Not quite. So then this is obviously $250 because that's half of 500. So then in this price override, we're going to say that it's $250, and then we'll do discount code, and then this is where you're going to put whatever code you want. So this could be 50 off. The HTML that I'll give is just going to look for the word code, and then anything after it is what the code is going to be. So then we can save it, and then go back into our page and edit. And then you'll want to make sure you have a two-step order form. I'm not going to make this all fancy just for the sake of an example. So then we have our two-step order form. I'm going to turn off all these extra little fields here to make it quicker. But you can customize the two-step order form as you would like. Then we're going to add another one that is the HTML, so this custom JavaScript HTML right under that. And then you're going to open this code and put the code that I provide you in that space. So we will paste that in here and save it. And then we'll save our funnel and preview. And then this is just going to be fill it in. And then it's saying the main product is 500, and then it's asking for the discount code. So then you would, if they have it, they would apply the discount. And now it's $250. So that's how the discount code works until we get it as a permanent feature within the software.